Hey guys, Abby from Motor City Nerds here. I'm so sorry. I feel like death. We were supposed to go see Sonic 2. We were supposed to go see Secrets of Dumbledore, which I'm hearing is great. But, I feel kind of weird with the Johnny Depp stuff. But still, I'm like, I'm hearing that that it's great. But, and I know this has kind of become my funny thing with unboxing videos. This is going to be a super fun unboxing video because I don't think I've been this excited for something from ColourPop. If you watch my other ones, I love basketball, so I thought it was really cool that they did something with the NBA. I thought that was awesome. So, I've done a couple unboxing videos, but this one, I don't think I've been this excited for a collection they've done since the Sailor Moon palette. But originally, I really wanted to get this whole set, and that's why I did, but I wanted to just get one thing out of it if they didn't have stuff. So I ended up getting the whole package of this. I got the Avatar set, you guys, and it's fucking sick. I can already tell. This is beautiful. So I don't know if I'm going to open any of this fully up, but this is some of the most beautiful packaging I've seen from ColourPop. And this is I think these are face masks. Oh, a detox mask, and this is, oh my god, this is so cool. This is Water and Earth, and these are masks for you. I think this is the Uncle Iroh stuff. Basic Instinct, Super Shock Shadow. Oh, Super Shock Shadow. This is so cool. Like I said, this is some of the most detailed packaging they've done. These are the colored eyeliners. Oh my god, these are so cool. And like I said, like the whole box is... and they're super... oh my god, these are so cool. I know I don't have a good camera for stuff like this, but I can't... oh my god, these are beautiful. They really are. Oh my god, those are the eyeliners. Let me get more organized. We're excited for the Kyoshi Lipsticks. One is Sealed with a Kiss and Fanatic. Oh my god, they're so red. And they have her fans. Look how cool that is. We have the, oh my god, look at how beautiful this is. Jasmine Tea Overnight Lip Mask. It's got Uncle Iroh on it. And like I said, this packaging is just gorgeous. Pop, you tore one of the boxes, but whatever. Super Shock Cheek highlighter, and okay. Oh, Moon Peach and Got Glow. Oh, it's Momo. It's Momo and Aang. This is the thing I was excited most about, and I tried to just get one of. It's an Appa compact. Oh my god, that is so cute. This you have an extra seal on? Okay. Oh, it's probably because it's glass. I like that they do these cool collaborations, and I really like that they do affordable stuff. And that Darth Vader palette is one of the best I've had. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, and it says Yip Yip on the inside. It does. That is so cute. And it's nice. Oh my god, it's like a super zoom in one on one of them. It's a regular one and a super zoomer. Oh my god, this is adorable though. I love this. This is so cute. I love this. This is the coolest thing. This is so cool that they do it this way. It's like a book. You know how the seasons are called books? Yeah, this is like a book. Super beautiful. This is like the color. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, it has all the symbols on the sides, and then like I said, it looks like a book. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god. And like I said, I just think these are fun and awesome that they do. So we're just gonna check out these colors. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to use this until I get another one, but I just want to do the unboxing because I haven't been this excited for a collab since Sailor Moon. I like the ColourPop company's packaging. It's just cute and pink and light. I like it. But let's check these out. Oh my god, these are so cool. And like I said, like it looks like a book. Look at the symbols in the one row. So cool. A really pretty palette that, like I said, I know this is like sold out a couple times, so I've been waiting for it to restock. I just really wanted to open it with you guys. Oh my god, it even has the tiny symbols in the actual palette. It's like not the makeup palette, like on the sides. That is so cool. It has some beautiful blues and like definitely some beautiful mute colors. Earth Rumble looks great. And all the reds look, oh my god, that comet looks so red. But let's read the names. You guys know the names are my favorite. So we have Water Tribe, Moon Spirit, Ice Shield, Earth Kingdom, Quicksand, Earth Rumble, Fire Nation, Dancing Dragon, Comet. And this comet is so red and beautiful. I love it. This is this looks brighter on there, but this is it's so pretty. And then we have Air Temple, Air Blast, and that looks really pretty, and Vortex. But like I said, I don't think I'm going to use this palette because, like I said, I think a lot of this is going to go in the box of things that I don't ever open. But this is super pretty, and I've been telling them to email me when they're back in stock so I can order one to use because I really genuinely think that these colors are beautiful. I love Avatar: The Last Airbender. It's one of my favorites. I love it so much. Uncle Iroh's my favesies. It was so weird how I found out about this because ColourPop, okay, the one issue I'm having with you right now, I'm on your email list. Nobody emailed me about this. I searched my entire email. I was like, how come? I was talking to my friend about watching Avatar: The Last Airbender, and I was rewatching it at work, and then I typed in something to show him, and the first thing that popped up was, oh, this is about to come out from ColourPop, and then I searched my email, and I was like, man, how come you didn't tell me about this? And then so I got it last minute. But I really just went on for the APA, and then I was like, no, I can't. But this really is some of the most beautiful packaging they've done. But get better on your emailing list, bud. Like, wouldn't you tell me about this? And thank God I saw it when I did, but no, this is really pretty. Like I said, this is some of the most beautiful packaging I think I've seen from them, including the Star Wars ones, the NBA ones. Those are very cool, but this is just, like, beautiful. And if you're an Avatar fan, I highly suggest getting this. This is really cool. And the other stuff, I'm going to use that Kyoshi. That was the first thing I thought of was the Kyoshi lipstick. Probably gonna use the detox stuff, whatever, but and see how it works, and then there's probably a similar product to it, you know what I mean? But I love that ColourPop does these, and that's why I just keep, and I love unboxing stuff. It's super fun. It's just fun. But yeah, I'm happy with Motor City Nerds. I'm super sick right now. I'm not feeling so hot, so I'm sorry that I'm not getting stuff out to you guys. I feel bad. But subscribe. Thank you to the new subscribers. Oh, and go check out, you know, Greg Reacts and Ninjas with Attitude, Movie Lovers Unite, and go check out, if you like Kingdom Hearts, check out, because I know I've been doing videos on that. The Heart's Divergence, he's great, and I really love his content because I don't cover a lot of video games, but I do cover Kingdom Hearts because that's my jammy, and he gave me a shout out on one of his videos, and it was really cool of him, and yeah, no, and I love his content. Remember to comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you got this. Let me know how you like it, and if you knew about this, because I heard about it last minute, but then it was all sold out. They were sneaky about it, not sneaky, but like singular things were sold out. But then you could buy the whole set still. And I got it like 12 hours after it dropped. I don't know, something like that. And I just got it the other day. I just haven't been able to open it yet.